Hi friends, if you want to create a Bitcoin trading simulator like this, then you can create it yourself freely using AI. So let's see how this Bitcoin simulator, trading simulator is working. It's having 1 hour, 4 hour window, and similarly 1 day and 1 week window. Here you can buy the Bitcoin, here you can sell the Bitcoin. This is your portfolio of USDT balance and the BTC balance. This is the basically the negative and positive impact of the Bitcoin. And if you buy the Bitcoin, and then if you sell the Bitcoin again, then there is a Bitcoin trading history as well on your panel. How to create this? This is very easy. Just go to DeepSeek. Here you paste the command, can you make me an interactive professional looking Bitcoin sale purchase simulator? And it will create this interactive HTML file. Copy this file, save it, and then you will be able to generate and run this HTML file. Thank you for watching. And if you want to learn more about such type of videos, you can join my channel, you can subscribe my channel, and I'm creating more videos like this. Thank you.